Hello friends, in this particular video, we'll see the other features which are there in the Constitution of North Macedonia. Death penalty shall not be imposed on any grounds whatsoever. Arrested person would be produced before the court within 24 hours of his arrest. Censorship is prohibited. Foreign national may acquire the right of ownership of the property under the conditions determined in law. Citizen can approach Constitutional Court if the freedom and rights determined by the Constitution are violated. Attorneyship is an autonomous and independent public service. Foreign investors are guaranteed the right to free transfer of invested capital and profits. The assembly is composed of 120 to 140 representatives. The term of representatives of the assembly is 4 years. 10,000 voters have right to propose law. 1,50,000 voters can request for referendum on important issues. A candidate for the President of Republic can be nominated by a minimum of 10,000 voters. A judge cannot be transferred against his or her will. Law determines cases in which a judge can sit alone. International agreements ratified in accordance with the Constitution are part of the internal legal order and cannot be changed. 1,50,000 citizens can initiate proposal for the change in the Constitution. The draft amendment to the Constitution is confirmed by the Assembly by a majority of vote of the total number of representatives and then submitted to public debates. Judicial Council keeps judicial electoral directory which contains the judges details of the judges. So friends, these were certain other features which were there in the Constitution of North Macedonia. Thank you.